So, I seen on Lindseyscribbles that she takes an A5 MD notebook and she cuts it down in order to print her filofax inserts on them. So I've ordered a plain notebook and I thought we could do it together. So I believe in one of her videos she said she used the cotton notepad, but I've never tried the cotton paper. So I'm going to try the MD A5 notebook. And I did see somebody else unbind this. So that is what I'm going to try and do tonight. Let's do this. Hey Ozzy, let's try this out. I think it should be fairly easy. Also kinda nervous. But they say it has string, and you should just be able to pluck the string out. And it should just come apart. But the one lady was quite vigorous. Quite vigorous indeed. But yeah, you could see the binding and the stitching. So, like, my thing is, did she... Ouch. I'm also trying to give my nails a break from having extensions on them. So, they're pretty fragile right now, and it kind of hurts. Okay. We got step one off. So... I can't even find the video anymore, but we're just gonna... Okay. So now it's just like glue, she said. So you could see all this section that need to be unbound. So it's like a series of miniature notebooks, but I wonder if she just cut it. Okay, got it. Oh, shit. Okay, there we go. I got it. I figured it out. Ah, so neat. And then you just rip it apart like so. Okay. Okay. Hi. Okay, so let's see if we take this guy apart. Oops, I'm ripping the paper. So, this is the cover. Okay, so now I see it. I'll cut it. Wow, it's so easy. Okay. So cool. Oh my god, I'm so pumped right now. It's like a puzzle, but better. So then, okay. We'll put these beautiful babies to the side. fairly easy. That was also quite exciting to do, not gonna lie. I love learning new things. I wonder if I could just like rip that. Okay, so that's part of that one. So if we separate it and detach this one, see, I can't, it looks like it's apart. Yeah, like that's part of that. And this one looks a part of that. So I'm not sure, is it the glue that's keeping this? Oh, there we go. Okay. And we're gonna find the next section and pull it apart. But there's still like a lot of glue on it, so it does make me slightly nervous to put it in the printer. Maybe I'll just do this one right. So this one's like a good one. This one I kind of ripped, so maybe, like, can I clean it up? Yeah, handsome boy. What's Mama doing? What's Mama doing? So I wonder if you could cut this with a paper cutter. We shall try. So this one's a bad one. I'm going to put it to the side. Okay. Yeah, we're going to try this one apart. This one came out so clean and so perfect. This is why my desk is never clean, because I'm always crafting. You sure? Okay. And then, second, I ordered a paper cutter because my filofax hobby obsession is like becoming out of control. So not only do I make inserts for myself, but I've been making inserts for my sister as well. And oh, what is this? The handle? Oh man, I have to assemble this. So I just ordered this little cheap guy and I'm pretty excited to use it. It's from Amazon Basics. It was pretty cheap, so let's give her a try. Okay, so I don't know if this is going to work, but all I did was I took this piece of paper and you're gonna open it into the middle. Okay, and then you're gonna put it in your paper cutter. Now this one's a little janky, so hopefully I can line everything up correctly. And clamp this down. Oh my god, that's so satisfying. And yay! I'm gonna separate these and hope for the best. I'm so excited because I absolutely hate that I have because I got them all done, and what I really don't like is that it came with cream paper and these match now, and that makes me so happy. However, I bought cloth and papers inserts, and I don't even want to waste my money. I'm going to use them, but I'm getting sick of them. I don't like that there's white and then there's cream. So I tried Cocoa. I hope I'm saying that right. Cocoa paper. And again, it's still too white for me. I thought it was cream. It's also very thin. And then the other con to using that paper is it bleeds when I use my fountain pens. So this is written with a Uniball, a Uni Pen 1P, and it doesn't feather. But then, this is perfect. This is what the ballpoint pen too. But if you look at my inbox, you could see how it feathers a little bit here. So that's why we're gonna try, and I'm sorry for my voice, I'm sick. We're gonna try the MD cream, and hopefully we get better results. So I'm going to print some out, and we'll cut it down, and we'll do a pen test. I'm so excited. Okay, so I've done my test. So if I were to place this on top, because it's great, because it's invisible, sort of. So she doesn't have any like markings on this one. So I'm gonna have to like make my own, which is stressful because I guess maybe this isn't supposed to be printed out on A5. Maybe she uses like a different type of paper. I line this up correctly. It's gonna touch there to here. And we're gonna take 2 of these and we're gonna line her up. Bring it here. Oh, that's so fun. So fun. Pretty. We're gonna take our little thingy. We're gonna slide her on in. And voila. Now we got our own MD cream paper. Voila. I'm so excited. So fun. For my own purposes, I'm just gonna use the scrap paper because, you know, I love my little cutouts here. And it's just a test run for now, but let's do like test. So, Uni Ball 1P. And then we're gonna try my Twisby Rose Gold, and this one's in fine. Oh no, I have carbon ink in this, so give it a minute. fat, juicy one. I have my Twisby. Oops, so this one is Twisby. Cocoyo paper. You know what's interesting is it's not feathering. Isn't that silly? Oh, there we go. See? Beautiful. Okay. So this is why I'm changing. And sorry about my spelling mistakes. I was getting a little anxious right there. So some of my markers would also feather like this. So basically, I had to switch papers. I just had to. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. And I don't like that. I really, but also MD cream paper is just magnificent. Like, look at how pretty that is. Oh, so excited. Fun. Good day.